Hello everyone, welcome to our channel ServiceNow Trainings and Placement. From today onwards, we are starting a new topic on integrations. This topic is very important with the ServiceNow development perspective as well as with the perspective of interviews. So there are a lot of questions that are being asked from this topic. So in this playlist, we'll be looking what integration is all about, what are the types of integration, and how do we implement integration in ServiceNow. So let's get started. So integrations in ServiceNow. So ServiceNow integration is the process of connecting ServiceNow with some other external systems or applications or data sources to automate workflows and enable seamless data exchange between systems. So through integrations, we can connect ServiceNow with multiple other applications like Salesforce, Jira, Splunk, Slack, WhatsApp, any other system we can connect with ServiceNow. So, and a data exchange, seamless data exchange between both these systems will happen through integration. Now, the question arises, why do we need integrations actually? What is the need for integration? So, let's understand this thing with the help of a case study. So, the problem statement that we have is, let's say we have a software company and there is a IT support team for that software company. Now that IT support is using ServiceNow to log and manage incidents reported by the users. So let's say I am a user of a company and I have some issues with my laptop. Now I will raise the incident in ServiceNow. Now the development teams uses Jira to track bugs and feature requests. So there is another team in my software company, the development team. So that team is using Jira tool to track the stories, the epics, the bugs, new feature request, these kind of things. Now, what happens without integration? So when the IT team identifies a software bug that needs fixing, they create a ticket in ServiceNow. So let's say I have raised an incident that my laptop is not working. Now, some IT support guy will look into that incident and he will find out okay, this issue requires some interference from the development team. But the tools that the development team uses is Jira, while the tool in which the initial ticket is logged in, is ServiceNow. Now, what happens in this scenario is someone has to manually create a corresponding issue in Jira for the developers to work on. So anyone from the IT support team will have to create a ticket in Jira manually, retyping all the information again and again and again. So what this thing does? So this causes extra work. Someone spends time copying incident details manually. There are chances of errors. Details might be entered incorrectly or incompletely. There will be delays. Developers might not get the information immediately, slowing down bug fixes. And the last one is the confusion because there are two disconnected systems and two disconnected tickets with different status, making it hard to track the progress on the issue. So, this causes a lot of manual work and delays as well in the process. Now, you must be thinking how through integration we can solve this problem. So here is the solution. So we are using REST API. So don't get worried. We'll learn about REST APIs and all these things later in this playlist. But for now, we can understand what integration is doing, how it is solving this issue. So what we will do, we'll do an API based integration between Jira and ServiceNow. So ServiceNow and Jira automatically sync ticket or issue data in real time. So whatever is getting updated in ServiceNow, the same will be reflected in Jira automatically. Where a new incident is created in ServiceNow and identified as a development issue, a Jira issue is automatically created with all the relevant details. So there is no need for any manual work. The second thing is two-way data syncing. So the status updates and comments in Jira, like the ticket has moved to in progress or the ticket status has changed to fixed, automatically reflect back in ServiceNow. So IT support and users always see the latest status. Likewise, updates in ServiceNow reflect back in Jira. So there is a data sync between both these systems. So what the solution does, it removes the manual labor that was earlier being done. It removes the delays. It also removes the confusion because there were two different tickets and different statuses. Now, as we are having real-time data sync, the confusion is not there. So you guys see how through a simple integration, we solved a major problem. Likewise, we can do integration of ServiceNow with multiple different tools and solve problems like these very easily and efficiently. Now, later in this playlist, we will see how to actually implement this integration. What are all the terminologies that are being used and how to solve problems like these with the help of ServiceNow integration. So stay tuned with us in this playlist. Thank you.